Okay, I got the Samsung Powerbot Essentials vacuum cleaner. It's supposed to be a type of robot vacuum cleaner. It's a pretty big box. It's supposed to be able to vacuum your floor better than the iRobot. It's like has a suction power, 10 times the suction power of the iRobot. It's Wi-Fi, so I can control it or program it with my phone, set up a schedule, blah blah blah. All that good stuff is supposed to be able to detect the room, the area, and vacuum effectively, similar to how an individual would vacuum. But we'll see. Let me unbox this thing. Be right back. All right. So let's see. Let's open this thing up. Ooh, right there. Let's see what came in this big package. Instructions. Yeah. Pamphlet. Yeah, sure. Who needs that? Dang. This is a big book. A manual. Yeah. Probably read this when I'm ready to go to sleep. Let's see. What's this? Got something here, a little bag. Looks like it's some type of filter. We got something over here. Remote control. Okay. We got some batteries. Alright. Go. Let's put this up. Alright. Let's move this out the way. We got power cord. Charging station. When it finishes vacuuming or the battery gets low, it's supposed to find its way back to the charging station and set itself on it right here and then charge itself up. Ten times more powerful section. All right, cool. More tape. Looks like it has a little eye on it that scans the ceiling. There's a little tape on that. It's just blue. Cool, that's the unboxing video. I will upload the next video to let you know how this thing works. Gotta charge it up. See you next time. The Samsung robot vacuum cleaner is ready to rock and roll. My wife, she runs a daycare. And what happens is all these little kids come in here, they rip and run all around, they drop food, and you know, every day is a chore to clean it up. So I've seen a commercial with this little robot. Got him, unboxed him, fully charged him, he's ready to go. And this thing is supposed to clean the entire room on one charge. I think it says it can do about 1,500 square feet, and then it'll go back to its charging station once it's finished. But let's go ahead and get the remote out. Comes with a little handy dandy remote, or you can use the app on your phone. And let's hit play. And let's see what this thing does. Alright, turns on. And she's off. I guess it senses the toy box. Goes around the toy box. Oh my goodness, it's doing like a little pattern. It's going up and down, creating the nice vacuum lines. Let's see where it goes next. Senses the other toy box, backs up a little bit, pivots, turns back, and there she goes. We moved all the chairs, moved them up so it can get under the table, because my son, he's tired of vacuuming too. So I said, you know what, let's see if this saves us some time. So as you can see the lines in the floor where it's doing its job. It's supposed to have 10 times the suction power of the latest Robot Vacuum Cleaner that you see in Target. But we shall see. Whoa, it went right past the toy box. Toy box backs up, pivots, turns, pivots. Look at that, 3-point turn. Swivel, and there she goes again. Oh, this looks good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video and let this thing do its thing. And I'll pick it back up and we'll look at the carpet, the results of the carpet once she's done. All right, see you in a little bit. You can power it up. You can power it on remotely with your cell phone. Tell it to get off the charger and go clean. You can schedule it. You can actually drive it with the remote control if you don't feel like moving, or drive it with the app on your phone. You can even tell it. You can even quiet the noise, the vacuum cleaner noise a little bit. I think it's one of these buttons on here. I think it's this one. Turns down the noise, see that? Quiets itself down and keeps on moving. As you can see, I haven't lifted a finger. Well, I actually pushed a button. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it and bring it back to me. See if I can drive it manually. So let's see. Pause and power it up. See if I can drive it to me. Oh my goodness, look at this. So if I don't want to really let it vacuum the room myself, I can sit back on the couch, watch TV, and drive it around with the remote control. And be done, see? Dink. She's all done. Now, I put it back on the charger. Turn it off. Boop. It has vacuumed the entire floor, and as I can see, it did a damn good job. Wow.